let's perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on OPPO Find X9. I also performed a similar test on my computer just to compare the results of the download and upload speed. And in this case, it seems that the download speed is quite low compared to my computer, because on my computer I managed to get 933 megabits per second, whereas over here I just got 170. However, when I used a different Wi-Fi, I actually got almost 300 megabits per second, so I assume that might be just some issue with the Wi-Fi network on my end. And the upload speed seems to be pretty much the same, so on the OPPO Find X9 I got almost 89 megabits per second, and on my computer I got 85, so it is pretty much the same. And what is quite interesting is that we can find some more information about the speed by going to the settings of the network. If we go over here, we have the link speed information, so we can find out what is the current estimate speed once we connect to the network. And let me actually switch to this one, and as you can see, it actually says 1200 megabits per second, so definitely better result. So we can assume that this can be the true speed. And unfortunately, I do not have Wi-Fi 7 that I could use over here. I have Wi-Fi 6 only, so this can be even faster on Wi-Fi 7. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.